What's up YouTube, Tay here from TayWilkins.com, helping you find ways to make money online. Today I have a few more remote work from home opportunities for you. For those of you who are new, I post these work from home opportunity for those of you who like the idea of working online from home, but not necessarily looking to start your own business. So jumping into the first website is liveworld.com. This company focuses on customer relations and customer service through social media. If you scroll down to the bottom and look under the About section, you will see the careers link. There are just a few positions available, but all of them are remote. Now, for those of you who are international, you'll want to check out the first position, Bilingual Customer Service Agent. With this first opening, you'll be handling customer inquiries over social media. This position requires you to speak fluent English, but also have a secondary fluent language as well. It also requires you to have good writing and communication skills, as well as being able to multitask. Because this is a customer service position, they require you to be in a distraction-free environment. There are a few more requirements. I won't go over all of them. So if you want to check them out, go ahead and pause the video, check them out, and then go ahead and continue. The next little section after the requirements is the recommended. Now, these are things that the company is looking for, but it is not required. You'll have a better chance of actually getting hired if you meet any of these recommended criteria over somebody who doesn't. But again, it's not required. So, if you're interested, still fill out for the position. Now, there isn't anything here about pay. So, taking a look at Glassdoor, I looked up social media customer service representatives, and the average annual salary for this profession is around $31,000. So, if that piques your interest and you want to go ahead and sign up, make sure you click on the appropriate link to start your application process. There's also another customer service position on this site, which is almost identical to the first position, with the difference being that this one is US only, and this one is more geared toward the healthcare system. So, if you're in the US and you have experience in the healthcare system, then you can check this one out as well. Next up, we have Lionbridge. I spoke about this in a past video, but there are tons of freelance and remote work from home opportunities available worldwide with this site. If you head down the page to where it says join our team, when you click on that link, you will get 4 options. The first, starting from the left, allows you to work for the company, while the other 3 are freelance opportunities. Now, within these 4 categories are hundreds, if not thousands, of job opportunities available, and I could be here all day going through them. So I'm just going to point out some of the opportunities that are the easiest to get started with and don't have any real requirements with them. If you want to go the freelance route, then click on testers, raters, and curators. Then on the next page, select your location. You'll then be given a list of available opportunities, which mostly revolve around giving feedback on search results, social media accounts, and social media related ads. Alternatively, you can find these same job postings under the Corporate Associates tab as well. Click on the Corporate Associates tab, and on the next page, click on the tab that says View All Jobs. It gets a little weird here, but if you type in remote, you'll only get about 4 or 5 listings. But if you just type in your country, you'll see a whole list of remote listings for your location. The positions are pretty much the same as the freelance opportunities, except these are positions within the company. Now, the closest thing I could find when it comes to pay with these opportunities is on Glassdoor as a social media evaluator, which has an hourly pay average of $15 per hour. Okay guys, so that's the opportunities I have for Lionbridge. Again, they have a huge list of available job openings. The ones I mentioned have a low barrier to entry, but if you're not interested in those, make sure you check out the rest of their openings and see if any of those are right for you. Alright guys, that's all I have for today's video. If you found this video useful, please like this video, share, and subscribe for more videos. Also, if you would like the links to anything I talked about today, visit my website at taywilkins.com and click on the link that says online jobs. And there you will find all the links for today's video as well as videos that I have posted in the past. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Take care.